Hi, I'm Marna, and today I have a bag opening. AliExpress. I hope that this is a gift that we ordered. Let's open her up and see what we have. It's supposed to be a 1/3 doll, low end, BJD that I bought for a gift. I'm being careful because just when you think you know where the hair is, they move the head. Most of these come without their head because the body is the maximum, excuse me, maximum size for the package. But I don't know. What the heck is that? Well, this could be interesting. All right. Looks like her head is there, which is a good thing. We all need our heads, even though some days I feel like I've lost mine. Or the old saying, if your head wasn't attached to your body, you wouldn't be able to find it. That was like old people said that in the 70s, 80s. I haven't heard it for a long time. All right, here we go. We're getting closer to the more bubble wrap, which thank goodness, because this is from China. And not only did it come a long way, not often are these handled correctly. Oh, it came with a little doll with it. How cute is that? The doll came with a doll. You know, she might have her head on. What an interesting package. Well, let's open it up. This is a low-end doll. I wanted to see how they looked, so we ordered one. This particular doll, she's shorter. She is shorter than I thought. Is she 24 inch? We'll have to measure, because I think she is a, what is it, 1/4, not 1/3. I'm okay with that, but I'm pretty sure we ordered a 1/3. But look at this. She came with sleepy eyes. I had not seen that before. Like I said, just a low-end doll. Let's see what she's got. Articulation. Very nice. Same as the others. Hand bends out and in. Leg goes out and in. Turns at the knee. And the ankle, no. But she has that where if she's sitting down and she has her shoes on, you can kick one foot forward and the other back, which is kind of cute. It kind of gives the doll motion as she sits there, like she's kicking her feet. She is low end, for sure. Don't have a problem with that. I have a problem with the size. That's an issue for me because I really did order the big size. Body is thin. Came with 2 outfits. Came with this bow. I like this outfit. What else did she come with? Let's take a look. Well, isn't that interesting? See if I can get this open. See, I saw that little doll face through the bubble wrap, and then I was like, it looked like a troll, and I thought, did I get the wrong order after waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for this to arrive? So she has this little doll, kind of a matching dress, kind of cute. She has this bow. And so, I need to be careful because there are shoes for the little doll in here. Boy, those are some tiny shoes. Okay, she got some hairdresser. Well, that has to be for the little doll because these are really small. Okay, so that's for the little doll. Interesting. Nobody said she was coming, so that was kind of a free gift or a sorry you didn't get the tall doll, but hey, look what I sent you. Okay, let's look in here. All right. She got the typical shoes. Oh, these don't open. They are, okay, they are different. She got some, let's see, that's more like Barbie size than her size. Even the hand holding is Barbie size, but hey, I have a Barbie. She came with a comb and a mirror. So let's put some clothes on her and the shoes and see what we got. Okay, we have her dressed in her second dress. It's just a cute, cheap little dress, but it's a dress. Darren had to, and I was going to show you, she is as big as my other low-end BJDs. We measured her at just a little shorter, 22 inches. Okay, I'm all right with that. Darren had to take these shoes and stretch that apart as far as it would go, but we did get them on her feet. Are these the best shoes I've ever seen? No. But they can be painted and made into something, and that'll be just fine. Or if someone liked those shoes, there you go. I don't think we paid much more than $12 for this doll. So that's fine with me, and it's a gift for a beginner crafter that will have a good time with this doll. I was going to show the hair. I don't think, oh, no, it's rooted. She was less than $20, free shipping. And if you wanted a doll like this for a child, if you have high-end BJDs and you have a child that's interested in participating and learning to make clothes and stuff, I recommend this. It would be a good place to start. I wanted to show you the hair. It is not bad at all. I thought for a minute it was a bald, you know, where they just put it on the edge. It's not real thick, but it has hair. I mean, you could do different hairstyles. It's not a bad deal. Is it the best deal I've got? No, but she's cute and kind of fun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment about the doll. What do you think? I mean, if not for your own collection, what do you think about this for like a beginner crafter, or someone maybe has the high-end dolls but needs a mannequin? That might work too. And please subscribe.